Looking for tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service in St Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important a reliable hot water supply is, especially during those cold Alberta winters. Our tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service covers everything from minor glitches and mineral buildup to complete system failures, ensuring you have a consistent flow of hot water. Here in St Albert, we often see issues related to hard water, which is why our team provides specialized solutions, including our comprehensive flush tankless water heater service. At Kingstree Plumbing, we're known for our fast and efficient service. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service in St Albert.